In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a journal entry in Wave Accounting. Now, whether you're new to accounting or just need a little refresher, creating journal entries can seem daunting at first, but don't worry. I've got you covered with simple, clear steps to navigate this process with confidence. To start, you'll need to open Wave Accounting and navigate to the Transactions section. This is where the magic happens. Look to the left side menu of your screen and find Accounting. Once you click on it, you'll see Transactions. Click on that, and you'll be ready to create your journal entry. This is your central hub for inputting all your transaction details in Wave. Next, we'll add the actual journal entry. In the top right corner of the Transactions page, you'll find an option that says Add Transaction. When you click on this, you'll be given a drop-down menu. Select Add Journal Entry. This will open a new window for entering your transaction information. Now, onto the details of your journal entry. First, enter the date of the transaction. Be sure to input the correct date as it affects your accounting record's accuracy. Then, you'll want to provide a brief description of the transaction. This is crucial for clarity and helps anyone reviewing the entries to understand what the transaction pertains to. Moving on to the meat of the journal entry, we'll record the debit and credit sides. Start with the first line. Here, you'll enter a description specifically for the debit, which adds an extra layer of clarification on what part of the transaction this line refers to. Next to description, you'll notice a field labeled Account. Here, you can either select an existing account to be debited or use the Add a New Account option to create a new one if necessary. Input the appropriate debit amount in the corresponding field. After that, you'll proceed to the second line, which deals with the credit portion of the transaction. Just like before, begin with entering a description that provides context for the credit. Select the appropriate account to be credited, or create a new account if required. Enter the credit amount carefully in the respective section. If your transaction involves more accounts, don't worry. You can add as many lines as needed by clicking Add Line for additional entries. Before finalizing, it's imperative to ensure that your total debits equal your total credits. This is a fundamental principle of double entry accounting. If these aren't balanced, the Save button will stay grayed out, indicating that something's off. Once everything checks out and your debits match your credits, click Save to record the journal entry. With that done, you've successfully created a journal entry in Wave Accounting. Keep practicing, and it will become second nature in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!